Canadian Western Bank Online Banking Login. Welcome to our tutorial on how to log into a Canadian Western Bank Online Banking Login account. Canadian Western Bank offers a convenient online banking services, allowing you to manage your finances from anywhere with internet access. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process to log into your account securely. Open your web browser on your device. In the search bar, type Canadian Western Bank Login and press enter to search. Tap on the official login link provided in the search results list to navigate to the login page. On the sign-in page, you will be prompted to enter your credentials. Start by entering your username or client card access number in the respective field. Next, enter your password in the designated field. Ensure that you input your password accurately and securely. Once you have entered your username and password, click on the login button to proceed. After logging in, you may be prompted to select your banking platform or navigate to the desired banking services. And that's it. You've successfully logged into your Canadian Western Bank online account. You can now manage your finances from anywhere with internet access. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.